Today we make a drink inspired by Jamaica and created in San Jose, Cradle to the Grave. The drink was created by Mary Palac from Paper Plane in San Jose, and you need some Cynar for this, as well as an Oloroso sherry. Now for me, Oloroso sherry is very, very hard to find, and the only thing I could find were the sweeter, like cream varieties of it. The world of sherry is big, and I'm not an expert in it, but you can try swapping out some types of sherries for others, but it's not universal. You can't just use any type of sherry. Now for today's drink, I'm going to be using an Amontillado sherry, which should be relatively close. I usually stock at least a somewhat fresh bottle in the fridge, so I'll be using this one today. But if you're interested in this and don't have any sherry at all, I'd encourage you to seek out the Oloroso sherry, but just make sure it's the dry and not the higher sugar cream style. So let's go ahead and make this. There's no drink mixer for this one. We'll be stirring this one manually. Start with 2 drops of a saline solution, 1/4 ounce of allspice dram, 1/2 ounce of sherry, 1/2 ounce of Cynar, and then 1.5 ounces of an aged Jamaican rum, preferably an aged Appleton rum. We'll garnish this with some nutmeg. So there you go, the Cradle to the Grave. All right, before we try this one, let's talk about the name, because Cradle to the Grave, it kind of seems strange and off-putting, but in where they found the recipe, I don't know if it's punch or imbibe, but Mary Palac shares the name of this, which she picked up from Joyce Spence, the master distiller at Appleton Estate. It's a nod to Jamaicans and their love of rum, from the cradle to the grave. So it's not as ghoulish as it might sound, and has to do with Jamaicans. And then for the rum I used here, I chose Appleton 8 because it's an aged Jamaican rum, and I think you are supposed to use an Appleton rum here. But I just like that it's going to bring forward more rummy rum flavor than Appleton 12. But hey, feel free to do 8, 12, 15, 21 if you're feeling fancy. Let's try it. Cheers. It is stiff in the best of ways. Plenty rummy with that delicious, nutty touch of acidity from our Amontillado sherry, and then a touch of bitterness there too from the Cynar. And the surprise here is that the allspice dram is very subtle. No one usually says that, even if you're just using like a teaspoon of allspice dram, or less than a teaspoon even. But that usually shines, and I think here you just have so many big, bold flavors with Cynar and with sherry and with the rum that it's not as overwhelming as allspice dram often is. So much of the DNA in this drink, on paper shows tropical. But if you have friends, or if you yourself really enjoy strong, stiff drinks, craft cocktails, classic cocktails, a lot of what are often repetitive brown and stirred cocktails, you're going to love this, because this doesn't come across as tropical, definitely not tiki, but it just comes across as like a very delicious, modern craft rum cocktail. So there you go, the Cradle to the Grave, another delicious cocktail. I think so far this year, we've got some pretty good cocktails that I've been trying here on the channel. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like below, consider subscribing to this channel. If you do try this cocktail, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think about it. Otherwise, if you want to support this channel more, check out my Patreon page. Otherwise, see you in the next one.